FFIE stock is in a strong bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average has been declining since more than a year now, and in this session of today, the 26th of June 2023, it is up 3.61%. And at some point also in this session, the price rose above its 50-day moving average of $0.25. And the folks at Investor Place have just been reminding us about what happened in the last week. They were saying that their chief financial officer was apologizing for the postponement of the second phase of their three-phase delivery plan of the FF91 2.0 to Futurist Alliance to next month, to August of this year 2023. And also noted that the reverse split will quickly change the low stock price status, so expect a reverse split to happen. I may have indicated that at some point, and that will pave the way for the introduction of large institutional investors in order to quickly break the financial bottleneck and promote the successful implementation of FF's ultimate AI tech luxury strategy. The company believes new issuances of common stock and warrants are a prerequisite for attracting institutional investors and unleashing FF's 5 success-defining powers. Okay. So they went on to point out that it's common knowledge that Faraday's industry is not an easy one. According to the company, it designs and engineers next-generation smart electric connected vehicles. And they went on to say what to make of FFIE stock. Okay, given the setbacks, the outlook is a big blip for FFIE stock at the moment. While analysts call for a modest revenue of $43.75 million this year, that figure is expected to accelerate dramatically next year, 2024. However, that estimate will likely be reduced given the news that's now coming public. Unfortunately, FFIE stock has not performed well for investors, despite some pretty strong momentum in mega cap, tech, and overall market. Okay. So alongside the declines of last week, the stock has for the past week is down around 50%. Okay, but it's also only down 13.3% so far this year 2023 as of last week, but also down at 6% over the last 1 year. So given all of those all the negativity surrounding the stock, some market participants may be holding off buying new positions, opening new positions, because of this reverse split that is likely to occur. We don't exactly know when it's going to occur, but let's see what's going on here. Let's see what the projections are. Right now it is trading at $0.2355. Let's see what we can make from. Okay, on this 1 minute live chart, we have upper projections of all the way towards 0.2385. On the daily charts, let's see what projections are. Okay, we have I think a maximum of 0.5791. not very ambitious, not an ambitious projection there. Let's look at the weekly chart. There's nothing on there on the weekly chart for FFIE, nothing there at all. Let's look at the monthly charts. There's likely not to be anything there equally. Okay, nothing there. I think we can only rely on the 1 minute chart. Okay, let's see. We have other periods. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Let's see. We have projections of 0.028. This is just all of them are within all those projections within the sort of price it is trading at right now. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. We have same thing as well, 0.2722. So nothing ambitious coming out. No ambitious projections are coming out from as regards the stock. So we just have to make the most of what we have right now, and we can equally just manually compute these projections ourselves. So the gain is now at 3.75%, not a huge one. So let's us take this resistance. Okay, given that it is it's a 1 minute chart, so yes, we can use that. Let's take this price of 0.2361 and 2355. Okay, we're just gonna get a difference of 0.005. All the projections we're gonna get will still be very much modest. 0.005 multiplied by 2.618, we'll have a 0.013. We add that to the current price of 0.2360. We have 0.24, roughly 0.25, 0.25. That's even higher than what's been projected on this 1 minute chart. So projections don't look very good at the moment. The algos not reading much from anything at all. They're not seeing anything. They're not seeing a lot of positives. They're not seeing anything much. But it might be good. It can be good for the stock. No huge amount of projection, but at the same time, it's also popular because the point I'm trying to make is that with a huge amount of with a substantial amount of popularity, then comes the undoing of the stock. It's just going to be hovering back and forth, not really holding gains for a sustained period of time. But as things stand right now, and it's showing strength, but it's still within all that is being projected as well. The gain is now 4.89%. 4.89%. So just showing modest amount of strength in this session, and we can definitely see that on its daily charts, things are not on its daily. The logic on its daily chart is not wonderful as such. Momentum is in a strong bearish. Momentum for FFIE is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow scarcity oscillator is below 20. The level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. Yes, they are selling shares, driving the price lower, and given this the possibility of a reverse split, that is what's probably most market participants will be doing. You can see here. So the company is saying that as of 2 weeks ago, Friday the 16th, they were saying that they were going to they were raising, what did they say there? Files for mixed shelf of up to $300 million. Okay, files for mixed shelf of up to $300 million. Okay, and definitely that's the dilution that is worrying market participants. The volume for this session was lighter than usual, with some 1.665 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest at the moment. So that's how things are for FFIE. Lack of buying interest. Maybe after the reverse split, market participants may come back. Okay, but even the reverse split, there's still a very good chance that it may continue to retrace as well. But it did, as things stand right now. Some are actually trading it and making money out of it, the much they can. Yeah, so I'll definitely continue to update you concerns FFIE stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.